Hello children, welcome back to your online EVS class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. We have discussed so many interesting topics in our previous classes. Hope all of you can memorize each and every topic, studying the notes and reading the textbook regularly. Am I correct? Very good. Today we will discuss few things about the Earth. As you all know, Earth is the only planet which life exists. So the Earth is known as a living planet. We all are living in Earth, right? Children, let me ask one question. What all things
make life possible in the Earth?
Do you have any idea? Yes.
Some of the things that make life possible on Earth are water, found on the surface of the Earth, the layer of air that surrounds the Earth, and the heat and light that we get from superstar the Sun.
Children, the Earth is surrounded by land and water. Most of the area is surrounded with water.
Large pieces of land
in the Earth is known as continents.
Large bodies of water
in between the continents are known as oceans. We have 7 continents and 5 oceans in the Earth. Let's see what are they.
Children, this is a map of the world showing the continents and the oceans. There are 7 continents on the Earth. They are Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. Asia is the largest continent while Australia is the smallest one. Then next, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean and the Southern Ocean are the 5 oceans. The Pacific is the largest ocean and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest one. A sea is a water body that is smaller than an ocean. There are many seas on the Earth.
What is meant by atmosphere? The Earth has an invisible layer of air surrounding it. It contains different types of gases, water vapor, dust particles, etc. This invisible layer is known as atmosphere. Do you have any idea about the shape of the Earth? What is the shape of the Earth?
By looking at the picture of the Earth, we know that it is round in shape.
Children, in ancient time, the ancient people believed that the Earth is flat. So they scared to travel from one place to another place. Because if they reached the end of the Earth, they would fall down. They believed like that. But later they started to travel from places to places. So they understood that the Earth is not flat. Then what is the shape of the Earth?
Picture of the Earth taken from high above the Earth now prove that the Earth is actually shaped like an orange rather than a sphere. It is slightly flat at the top and bottom and bulges at the center.
The Earth is huge. To be able to study the Earth and its features, we use globe and map. Globe is the miniature form of the Earth. We use globe and map to identify the places. So many places are there in the Earth. We cannot travel each and every places. By using globe and map, we will study about the Earth and its features.
A globe is a model or a true representation of the Earth. Like the Earth, the globe too is round. It shows all the major features of the Earth like the oceans, continents and countries. A map is a drawing of the Earth or parts of the Earth made on a flat surface. It shows us the features of the Earth in greater detail than a globe does. This is a picture of world map. And here you can see a map of our India, our country India.
There are 4 main directions. Can you name them? North, South, East and West. These are the 4 main directions.
We use directions to find places on maps and in the real world. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Children, if we stand facing the rising sun, that means we face the east. The west is behind us. To our left lies the north and to our right lies the south. On a map, the top shows the north while the bottom shows the south. The left on a map shows the west while the right shows the east.
Children, today we have discussed many things about the earth. This is our first lesson from social studies. So you need not study this lesson for your exam, but you should read it. And one more important thing, you have to revise the lesson which I mentioned in the description box for the next class. Okay, we'll see in our next class with a new topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.